On this video, I will reproduce his color and haircut. Roll that tape! The exterior part of this haircut, it will be an undercut, disconnected from the interior part, and it will be longer. As you can see, the horseshoe shape is lower. This I do to assure that I protect enough hair on the top area to create the curtain bangs style. Using the French technique, I will cut a mesh angle around the head, about 1 finger of width. Observe that on the back of the head, the horseshoe shaped section is lower than normal, below the crown area. It's very important to leave the hair long enough on the undercut area so you can show off the intense blue color and don't see the skin. The hand position and finger position of the French method is the traditional way that barbers have used for many years to cut men's haircuts. To create the perimeter line on the nape, I would use the clippers with the 5/0 comb on it. The fade won't look bad either on this style. The problem with the fade is that with any color, and in particular with fantasy colors, is that you look color super fast when your hair color grows back again. Retouch the perimeter on the sideburns and behind the ear to get a solid finish. At the end of this video, as always, if you are interested in doing this style for yourself, I will share with you if that works well for your face type. To cut the interior section to achieve the curtain bangs look with the center part, I will divide the front to the back using the comb as a reference, in this case behind the ear. Using my fingers, I will distribute the hair to create a panel and cut a diagonal forward using the point cutting technique. Finish the bangs area by over-directing the hair back to preserve the length in the front. If at this point you are not following me on Instagram, please do. There I post every week my next video's results, so you can get excited about it. Continue repeating the same technique and angle on the opposite side. To cut the back area, use a diagonal back direction. Support the channel by subscribing, giving it a like, and hit the bell for notifications. All of that and any commentaries on this video help the algorithm so YouTube share this video with others. Thank you so much. Next week I will do a kites video, due to all of you guys' requests. Visit Instagram if you want to see how I did. Continue using the point cutting technique on the back using a diagonal back. It will finish on a concave shape on the middle of the back. Share with your friends the shorts on Instagram and TikTok. It's the best way to help this channel grow. And if you have any suggestions for hashtags on TikTok, let me know and count on you on the platform. To reproduce the color or trunks of the future, I will need to bleach the hair, on this case twice. If you are interested in a video with tips for bleaching the hair with a minimal damage, let me know in the commentaries, and I will do it. To recreate his hair color, I would use blue mousse from Paul Pryor on the base. Add a little bit of knife fold to darken it, and to add some depth to it. As you can see, just a little bit, if you know, it will take over. Mix it up really good before you apply it, if you know you'll get darker spots on the color. The mannequin heads are made with Indian hair and then processed to make the color even. They are difficult to bleach and color. In this case, they have more gold than I wanted. To dry the hair, I would use Glide from 1821. It's ideal after color services to dry the hair. Make sure the hair on the undercut area stays closer to the head to avoid volume. If necessary, use the flat brush on this area. On the top area, I would use the round brush to smooth the hair. If your hair is already straight, you won't need to do this step. I love how the color looks. Wow, fantastic. After I get the sides dry, I will work on the bangs area. It's very important to use this technique to facilitate that the hair opens with a middle part and with a finish of the curtain bangs. If your hair grows forward, add some styling product with hold on the bangs area to help out with the styling. Now that the hair is dry, I will tailor the style by texturizing the hair starting out from the nape and using the SHEARS over comb technique. Blend the weight line using the same technique on horizontal motion. Use this other technique of freeform with the scissors to make the surface lighter. Continue making horizontal lines and texturizing as much as you feel is needed. To finish this look, mix 1821 wax with the Absolute Mahogany oil to keep up with the blue thing. Observe that I only touch a little bit on the surface of the hair to avoid making the hair greasy. Then I introduce the product from the bottom up on segments. This will help to create separation on layers. You can all start to see it forming. Is any one of you feel like doing it? This style is going to look great and not too long oval faces, on diamond and hard face shapes. This week the winning suggestion is Machina. Finally a female look. Well deserved. This is Angel del Solar, the Hairbender.